Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can share Google Slides in a Google Meet for presentations. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, open your Google Slides presentation. And next, what you will do is join a Google Meet. And then you will just have to click New Meet if you haven't done so. And just wait for it to load. And once you're here, what you will have to do is you will look for present now, which should be right here. So it should be right here if or you could also share your screen if you want to. So what you will have to do is click your presentation and then you will just have to basically click share and then your slide window will now be shared and the participants will only see the slides. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.